Hello dear children. Children, today we are going to learn two more new letters. So which are the two letters that we'll learn? We have done L pattern recently. So the letters based on L pattern are, first letter is L. So how to write letter L? First of all, we will make a slant line, little curve, and then come down straight like one. Little curve and a slant kick. This is letter L. Children, remember I told you three tricks to cut from the blue line. First is you have to go up slant. This line should be straight slant. It should not be a curved line. Remember? And then ma'am told you that you have to make a little curve here. So little curve and then you have to come down straight. So if you will not come down straight, L will become like this, which is wrong. So three tricks were: go up straight slant, a small curve, and then come down straight like one. Little curve and slant kick. If you take a little curve from here, then this loop will be small. And we have to make small loops. Okay, so one more time, just see how to make letter L. We will go up slant, touch the red line, little curve, and then one. Little kick, little curve, and then slant kick. This is letter L. Okay, so third time, once again, slant, curve, and come down straight, curve and kick, slant, curve, come down straight, little curve and slant line. So this is letter L. So first mistake is going up curved and coming down curved, which is absolutely wrong. Going up curved and in any case wrong, even if you come down straight. Going up curved is wrong. Now you have to come down straight like one. If you make a very long slant line, your L will become like this. If you make a fat loop, your L will look like this. So this curve should not be a broad one. It should be a small curve. Otherwise you will cut from here. Then what happened in L pattern also, ma'am saw that you have made a bigger curve, and then in order to cut from the blue line, you have come down slant. So this slant line is wrong. And one more thing I saw, children, you did was this. Ma'am told you this is a mistake. You have to come down straight like one. This loop should be thin. All right. And some children do not know how to make a starting curve, starting line. So starting line should not be a curved line. I have seen in some L patterns the starting line was like this. This is wrong. Starting line will never be a curve here. It will always be, when you start from this line, from the second blue line, you will just leave the line and go up. Starting from this line, keep your pencil here, leave the line, go up. You will not start from above the line and come down and make this curve. So this curve is absolutely wrong. You will not make this curve. One more thing I noticed in L pattern. Again, you people made this point. And some of you also made a point in the tail. So this is wrong. Big curves, big loops are wrong. Okay? And curved back is also wrong. So one more time. Last time, slant, small curve and come down straight like one. Curve and slant kick. This is like one. You make one, no? Make one like this. So in the same way, in this also you have to come down straight like one. So can you see this line is like one? Good. Next letter is B. In B, you will start like L, curve, come down straight. Now from here, you will curve and go up to this line and make a small tail. This is letter B. One more time. Slant, small curve, come down straight like one, curve, go back to the blue line and a small tail, slant, come down straight, curve, go back to the blue line and little tail, slant, curve, sorry, this is wrong. Now see, if I have made a long slant line, this is not cutting from the blue line, so this has become wrong. Alright, and now I will tell you the mistakes. First mistake is if you do not write L properly, your B will not be proper. So if you would make a slant L, your B will also become a slant. So please, first of all, you will make the L slant and then you can master the B. Then one more mistake, again this starting stroke, wrong. Going far and then making the tail, absolutely wrong. So you will not go slant from here. This big curve, wrong. Going out of the lines, wrong. Long tails are also wrong. Long tail, wrong. And some children, you know what they do? For making the tail, they come down on this line and then curve and make this tail. So this tail becomes very deep. Wrong. Alright. Then big loop. Wrong. Here I have told you how this was a fat B. Very thin B is also wrong. This is also wrong. So one last time I will tell you the correct B. So you will cut from the blue line, come down straight, curve and go up to the blue line and little curve. One more mistake, common mistake that children do is this. This is absolutely wrong. You will not curve and go inside. Okay? All right. Bye.